Hi guys, I have a trimmer. The string is run out, so I would like to show with you guys how to reload the string for this RYOBI trimmer right here. So you basically just need a tool that comes with the RYOBI the box when you bought the trimmer. So they call this is a reload tool. And then for the string you can use alternative, the third party one. If you have the one from RYOBI, that's fine. If not, then you can use the alternative one. I have one from the Pro Rhino Turf, one more from another brand here, and it all works. So I'm gonna use this one from the Pro Rhino Turf, and I'm gonna show with you guys how to reload it to the trimmer. It's pretty quick. And you own it, I see that as well. So basically the string is double, so you're gonna need to get some kind of the link for the string. Probably for this one you just draw it over. So I think you're gonna get about maybe 15 feet or maybe more, something like this. And the very first thing you're gonna do, you're gonna make the balance the halfway like this, and then you're gonna run it through the middle of this loader. Just poke it through. There's a hole in between, and then you just make sure that it go into the midpoint. So now it go into the midpoint, and when it at the midpoint, just hold it like this, and basically make a twist. So you're gonna twist this one, and then roll it over. Okay, like this. That's it. So this is like a make a turn for the string, so that it can go the other side. So twist right here, turn it over, so it's gonna go to the different sides. And that's it. You just need to hold it tight like this. This side is still almost like at the midpoint. And then now you're gonna plug in the cap. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna put it over here. And then the next step is you're gonna poke through. There are two holes on the outside cap right here. You're gonna poke it through like this for the first, and then this is for the second hole. You're gonna poke it through. That's it. And then now what you're gonna need to do is you're gonna need to put it through right here. And when you're doing it, you're gonna pull the string to make sure it's not stuck all the way. Go this way like this, and then you can pull it slowly. So now it's good, and then you can pull it. You can see that the cap is go over right here. And that's it. So next step we're gonna do is using the tool provided by RYOBI and just roll it over, so that it's gonna draw the string. You can see that the string is slowly get raw, and then you're gonna shorten the string just like this. So this is happen when it's not balanced at the midpoint, right? You can fix this by just cut it and make it like this. See, it's almost balanced. And now you just plug in the trimmer, and then good to go. So that's arrow here, and then done. Yes, that's it. So now I have completed reloading the head of the trimmer. If I want to make the string longer, I just tap the head of the trimmer. So let me stop, and then let's stop it. You can see it's longer right now.